Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is June the 5th and it is release day for Scrap Diva Designs. Her new June release is available right now, guys. So make sure that you guys run over and snatch what you can get before things are sold out. You can use my code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase on scrapdivadesigns.com. Okay, guys? Now, I did not grab the full release. She has a bunch of travel themed die sets that I didn't grab. So if you guys play with, like, what is the name of that, round trip and all that good stuff, they're gonna go perfectly with that. I just decided to grab a few of the die sets and I'm gonna share those with you today. And some of the projects that I've been creating, I'm not fully done with a lot of the things. I just really want to come on here and share with you all the sets that I grabbed and what I've been creating in case you guys are interested. That way that you guys don't miss out on any products, they don't sell out on you or whatnot. So let's get started. This is the first one and I did do some sneak peeks on these. So there are some videos, guys, that you can check out. The summer ticket stamp set is a must have. I have a tutorial and I created some tickets. But let me share with you all the die sets that come with this set. I'm not sure if I shared it in that other video, but you get all these stamps here. And then you get these dies, these two dies here to create some tickets. And I used the smaller one and I created some summer ticket embellishments. And I had a lot of fun stamping using these stamps and this die set along with another set that's in my stash that I've been having so much fun with. So let me grab those. I created this cute little folder and this is the ticket. This is the stamp set from her. The ocean is calling, see you soon. And then I gotta still package these up, but we created these, some of these on that tutorial. And they came out beautiful, guys. I love the way these came out. And not only can you stamp on these, but you can also create embellishments. So check out that video if you haven't had a chance, guys. This set is a must-have. I'm still in summer mode crafting, so I've been having a lot of fun playing with these sets. All right, the next die set that I snatched is this one here, and this is the Party Box mini album. This die set creates this mini album. I did start it with you guys. I showed you how to use the binding system and how to create your pages, but I haven't fully finished this. I used 4 of the binding systems, and that created all these pages, guys. Okay. And I love the way that it's coming out so far. I'm gonna fill this up in more time, but so far that's what I have. And then this set also comes with this really cute bow that you can put a brad and you can decorate your party box. And it also comes with this piece as well that I didn't cut out yet. So guys, keep a lookout for those projects. I will be sharing the finished projects soon, either here on YouTube or Instagram or even TikTok, so make sure you're following me. And then I thought that this is a perfect set for a Memorydex, so I used my Memorydex Punch from We Are Makers. I'm an affiliate with American Crafts as well, so I'm gonna leave a link for this if you guys are interested. You can create Memorydex cards out of any die sets that you have. So I made a Memorydex card. I still have to finish with that. This is definitely a must-have. I had a lot of fun playing with this set. Next, we have this one. Now, I haven't fully cut into this one. It's the Scalloped mini album. And you get this really cute, like, label piece, this piece of pocket. And I just created one just to share with you all. But I saw Erica, she shared a mini album she made, and so I have to make one of those. It looks so pretty. And you can do the pocket right here, but you can create an actual scallop mini album with this base piece here. And it also comes with the pieces for this, so you can, you know, like do like little tuck-ins or whatnot. And I just love the way that this little thing is turning out. So I'll be playing with this more. Like I said, I'm not fully done with the release. I just been like kind of doing what I can. Next, I grabbed this one. Now she does have, I think, 3 or 4 word sets. This is the holiday word set that I grabbed, and it's got 6 different sentiments. And here's some of the ones that I cut out. I cut out all of them. So we have vacation, holiday, and beach. And then I have 3 more on my projects that I'll share with you all. But you get vacation, relaxing, sunset, beach, sunshine, and holiday. And I love the font of this. It's so cute. Next, we have this one here. And this one is a must-have, guys. I love this set. This has to be one of my favorites from this entire release. It is the journal page. And it actually fits a planner. I think Erica said it fits a planner. So you guys can, you know, make your own planners or whatnot. But it's just 2 pieces. You get this outside piece that creates your frame with the holes. You know, your page with the holes, your base page. And then it also has a stitch-lined page that you can put as well. So this is going to be perfect for journaling, all kinds of stuff, guys. If you want to create your own, like, lists, memory lists, you know, lists for shopping or whatever, this is a must-have. I'm going to show these other ones, and then I'm going to share with you guys the last project that I've been working on because I put them all together. And then we have 2 new flowers. I grabbed both of the flowers. The Frilly Anemone flower is how I want to say. And you get 3 different sizes, 2 of each size. And you get these cute little 2 centers. There's also this one. This one is so cute, guys. I really, really like this one. It's the spring flower. And I like it because it's very different. You'll see what it looks like. I just cut the flower so far. I did not do these centers or leaves. But you have that as an option. I'll share those with you in my book. And then these sets right here I picked out, but I have not had a chance to cut into them. So we have the A2 Shadow Box. So these are the sets that I had to have, you guys. I had to have these. I wanted this one from the travel theme. There are a bunch of other travel theme ones that you can get from Scrap Diva Designs. So make sure you guys check out her website because you'll see some of the pictures and examples on there as well. We have the airplane circles. I grabbed this one. I thought it was really cute and unique. So there's a smaller and a bigger size. And then you get the little layering pieces to layer the airplanes on there. And then I had to grab this word set. It is the baking words, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's way more than 5 in here. I haven't opened it yet, but so far I'm seeing that it says baking treats, delicious. What's that one say? Sweet babe, sweet treat, and then this one says treat yourself. So there's some more sentiments in here. I'll be sharing these in other videos, guys. Make sure you're following me. And then last but not least, I had to grab this party box. It's a takeout dinner box, I'm sorry. And it is huge. So I cannot wait to play with this one. I've seen some examples and it looks really, really cute. All right, guys. So that is the release for June. These are the pieces that I grabbed. Let me share with you the journal page. Is that what it's called? I'm telling you, that journal page is a must-have. It's going to sell out very quickly. Yeah, the journal page. Okay, so this is how it cuts out. I'm creating a book here. And I just used some of my Sunny Days paper collection and my Basil cardstock. And then you guys know that I purchased some new rings recently, so I'll be using those. But I did some trims on the side. And then I did just a few pages. So this is the Sunshine Sentiment. And then this is that new, what is it called? The Anemone. This is one of her new flowers. I don't want to butcher the name. It's called the Frilly Anemone flower. And it's very beautiful, guys. I have not put centers on these yet. I plan on going to Hobby Lobby and getting some more jemmies to put in here. But I layered these up. I use my Copic markers. So just do a little bit of color blending. I use my Basil cardstock on this one. And then I also layered them with foam. So here goes another one of those pages. I'm going to be making a nice little book with all these. Here goes another one using some cardstock. Some pattern cardstock. And you get, again, 3 sizes. And I'm going to be getting jemmies to put in the center of these. And then this is the spring one. Let me get the exact name for you guys. The spring flower. This one is so unique and cute, guys. It is so adorable. I have to put another layer here. But you get 4, I think you get 4 different sizes with that one. Yes. 4 different sizes. It's a beautiful, beautiful, different, unique flower set. So if you can't get any of the flowers, make sure you grab this one for sure. All right, guys. So that is it. I just really want to jump on here. I'm sorry that I don't have like fully complete projects for you guys, but I did want to share with you some examples and give you guys an idea of what some of these die sets look like and give you some kind of ideas that you can do with some of these sets. All right. So again, today is release day. ScrapDivaDesigns.com. Use code Poochie10 to save 10% off your entire purchase. And I definitely will be back with some more examples, some tutorials, and some inspiration to hopefully inspire you guys. Make sure you guys leave me a comment down below and let me know, what do you have on your wish list, or what did you grab, or what are you gonna grab from Scrap Diva Designs June release. I love you all, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.